Thanks for tuning into This Guy's Garage, hosted on channel 4 Iron Caper. So last week I did a video featuring the Lyle door adjuster. And this tool actually does a great job of making door adjustments easy. But Budget Panther, and if you haven't seen his channel, check the clip.
Down. Is she starting to show a little wear and tear? Are certain body parts starting to sag and hang just a little lower than they once were? So like I said before about the sagging, I just wish there was a simple, quick and easy procedure that could be done to tighten up things a bit to fight the forces of gravity. I'm talking about my driver door. So that's my sagging issue. Back to you, Caper.
So what did that Lyle door adjuster bar video? Came a question from a Budget Panther fan. A simple, quick and easy fix for his sagging door issue. So I have quick, simple, painless, and cheap block of wood. Alright. It just so happens that I have purchased my own Crown Victoria, which my youngest son has named Victorious. So as soon as I heard it, I said that's going to stick. We're going to do a door adjustment on Victorious the old school way with a block of wood. Come with me. So here's what we're working with. Victorious. So we're going to slip this block of wood in behind the lower door hinge. And the key to this repair is not to get too greedy. You're going to want to do this multiple times and get the door fitting just right. But all you're going to do is close the door. And what this will do, it will roll the bottom hinge back in position so that we can get the door to fit just right. Center it on the striker. The key to this is take multiple stabs at it. You don't want to get too greedy. That sounds just nice. And as you can see, after the adjustment, the door clearly misses the back door. So that's how you do it. Case closed.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
Hey, Jason Carr, you think Grandma got what it takes to get past Victorious? Been called in.